This is Briton Ferry, Llansawel ladies.
Ni di bod yn tîm nawr am tua 10 blynedd. Ni di chwarae cwbl o blynyddoedd yn y Premier League am y 2 blynedd diwethaf yn Tier 2. Ond ni gyda tîmau ieuenctid a popeth, ond very much un clwb. Mae dynion a menywod, ni gyd yn cael ei trin yr un. So, yeah, mae'n nice fel cymuned i bod yn rhan o.
Well, I'd say we're just one big family, really. Is playing football with your friends is something that we all enjoy, we all want to do it. We all want to win for each other. The club is literally my second family, and I think all the girls would agree with that.
Dwi'n caru e. Sa'n meddwl yn mynd unrhyw le arall. Mae fe fel teulu y clwb yma, so jyst yn caru chwarae gyda merched. Mae fel teulu mawr.
In terms of club spirit, it's as big as any other. Our passion, determination, ambition to get to the top of where we want to be and stuff is, yeah, second to none. That's why I love being here.
Yeah, the club's amazing. The men's side of things, the committee, the players there, they're so supportive to the women's section, and you don't really see that too often, I don't think, but the amount of support I get on social media, the amount of support the girls get, it's second to none. And then you've got the committee and the Llansawel girls, you've got the development centres, you've got so much now going on. The buzz around the club is just so good. The league's been really good for us. As I said, we sat down at the start of the season and looked at our goals, and we all collectively came together and wanted to win the league. That was a goal for us. We were in the Premier League a couple of years ago, so our aim was to get back there. And the league has gone really, really well. You know, we dropped points in one game, but the girls bounced back really well. And, you know, that cup runs we've had alongside as well has helped push us through the league. And, yeah, we've come out on top in the league, and the girls deserve so much credit for that.
Massive occasion for women's football, let alone a little team like us. The fans travelled up were amazing, travelled 2 hours. To be a part of it is massive, and hopefully we'll be a part of it next season as well.
Ein gol ni o'r dechrau tymor oedd i ennill y gêm na, cael dychafiad i'r Premier League. Lot o ieuenctid yn gwylio, so was dros 1,000 o pobl yna hefyd. So oedd yn achos o dda i fod yn honest, ond bach yn siomedig I ni yn personol.
It was difficult because I thought that we deserved to win the game, and that's not taking any credit away from Wrexham, because at the end of the day football's cruel. They scored a goal, we didn't, and you know they're in the Premier League now. But we certainly did need them couple of days to reflect, and the girls obviously were gutted, but now we've got to turn our attention to Sunday with a massive test for us as well. You could say Cardiff are the best team in Wales at the moment. Their form was, you know, excellent. I know Ian, I went through university with him, and he's got to take massive credit for what he's done there over the last couple of seasons. He's built a fantastic squad, you know, built a really good staff, and they deserve exactly what they've had this year. They've been brilliant. But we can't just roll over and take that. We've got to make sure that we're competitive in the game, and I fully believe that we can be. We've played them once this year in another cup competition, and although we lost 3-1, I thought we made a really good account of ourselves on the day. So we've just got to look at that game, look at a couple of games that they've played this year, reflect back and make sure we give them a really good test.
And I think the girls don't want to feel like they felt on Sunday, so I think Cardiff are a good team. You can't take nothing away from that Cardiff, but I think it'd mean everything for the girls, and the staff, we all deserve something. Ni'n gwybod ni'n gallu chwarae yn erbyn tîmoedd gorau yn Cymru, achos oedd ni wedi gwneud blynyddoedd cyn ni cael ei roi mewn I Tier 2. So, o'n ni'n gwybod ni'n gallu cael results, jyst dim ond goffo bod yn hyderus pan ni'n mynd mewn i'r gêm. A ni'n gwybod bod ni'n tîm da, ni jyst goffod wneud yn siŵr bod ni'n dangos hynna a gweithio'n galed.
Dwi'n credu bod ni'n rhoi gêm I nhw wedi sydd. Bydd ddim yn hawdd I ni, achos maen nhw jyst I ennill y prem, ond bydd ni'n wneud ein gorau o roi'r gêm I nhw, gweld beth sy'n digwydd. Never say never.